Alright folks, so here is the seat covers that was sent to me by StarknightMT, and like I said, they make numerous accessories and parts for UTVs and side-by-sides. And today I'm gonna install a camouflage seat cover here on this mule. These mules here are they're commonly used on a bunch of farms and ranches. It's a very low-cost machine, and there's a lot of these machines used. I got neighbors that use these machines as well. Very good machine. Pull out the packaging here. Got a top and a bottom, and then instructions. So just basic instructions. Park the vehicle on level ground, put your parking brake on, and find your top and bottom, and put on. It's a very easy and quick installation. Alright guys, we're going to start with the lower seat cushion here. It's got a Velcro strap. You unclip that. Bungee type cords on the sides. Stretch it over your seat. It's a pretty tight fit, but it'll give it a snug fit. And the next thing you got to do is feed this Velcro strap underneath to pick up the backing of it on the back side. Alright, and now we're going to install the upper seat cover for the upper cushion here. It's got two Velcro straps, and then it has a sticky Velcro strap for the back side of the seat there. So what we're going to do is undo these Velcro straps, stretch out the cover onto the seat, and then go ahead and put the cover on the top. Because of these Velcro straps and the mounting, some machines it's going to require you to take off this back cushion to put these Velcro straps. And after looking after this particular machine, this one's going to require taking this back cover off. Really easy. There's only 4 bolts, 12 millimeter. Right here on the back. Right here on the back we got 4, there's 2 here, 2 there, 12 millimeter bolts. I'm going to remove those to remove the seat. What this does is allow you to move the cushion all together, and you're going to finish putting the cover back on. Nice and snug. Find your Velcro straps here. Get your Velcro straps tight. Tuck excess in right there. So it's a double-sided Velcro tape. Just basically peel. Pull your cushion tight and stick. Okay. Now we're going to reinstall the seat cushion. There you go. After tightening the nuts, we have finished the install. This is what we have. We have a nice durable seat cover. It's all around protection on all the way on the seat portion and the upper portion. Adjustable design. I mean, this design right here is made for 20 years of this mule here. If you check out their website, you can plug in the year and the model, and it'll get you the exact part you need. And then pretty quick install, 10 minutes or less basically. The only tools required is a ratchet and 12mm and a little bit of opening and closing the seat there, guys. Let's give it a little bit of field test and go from there.